The Reactive Power Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine reactive power in AC electrical systems using multiple calculation methods. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate Q from voltage, current and power factor. Calculate Q from apparent power and real power. Calculate Q from apparent power and power factor. Calculate Q from real power and power factor. Calculate capacitor VAR from voltage and capacitance, or calculate inductor VAR from voltage and inductance. For this example, I'm using calculate Q from voltage, current, and power factor. The input fields adapt based on your selection. For our chosen mode, enter voltage in volts, current in amps, and power factor as a decimal between 0 and 1. Let's use typical industrial values: 480 volts, 125 amps, and a power factor of 0.85. Click Calculate to see your results. The calculator displays the reactive power Q in volt-ampere reactive or VAR, showing the non-working power in your system. You'll also see the apparent power S in volt-amperes and real power P in watts, giving you a complete power triangle analysis. These values help determine capacitor sizing for power factor correction or analyze system efficiency. Find the link in the description below.